Hey, ladies and gentlemen, June 24th, 2022. Your bird contract, the IMCA Sport Compact, A feature, Kyle Morrison lead them off. Adriana Stevenson to the outside. Wave at him, Bracy. Come on, 5 minutes to get off. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. I was a little excited earlier.
Caution light is out.
We're going green. It's time by, ladies and gentlemen. Kyle Morrison leading them off. Adriana Stevenson to the outside. Watch that 77 starting A. He picked up the heat win earlier. Can he sweep today? Out of 4. It's game time. Down the backstretch on the inside, making passes on the inside. They're talking big about him over the intercom. Kyle Morrison out front. We need a caution. He don't need one. Caution, caution, caution. Caution, yeah. We need that one. Kyle Morrison didn't want to see that one. That'll put Kyle Hayden right behind him. Back there, P5. He's got Allison Bird in front of 33X. Kyle Witten and Kyle Morrison out of 4. Come on, boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Down into the infield pit, down the front stretch. Branson Arner starting A, pulled it up to P3. Kyle Morrison out front. He better go. Kyle hitting the 2-2. 5 to go this time by. 5 to go. Kyle Mortensen out front. He did start up on the front row. He got the lucky dog for that position. He took it and ran with it. Out of 4. He'll look out of turn 4, picking up the feature win. Dancing on a real nice 3-3 run with it, starting 8th. He is a hard charger as well. Picking up the heat and win. And a top 5 tonight, finishing P3 with the hard charger situation award. Branston Arnold.
Work our way down here to Old Riley All-Parts Victory Lane.
Look good pulling that steering wheel on, boy. Woo, nice run. Pulling down here to the Old Riley Auto Parts Victory Lane. Kyle Mortensen.
IMCA Sport Compact. Had the heat coming on him. I smell a little great. Well, it really comes down on where it says, give him a round of applause, everybody.
Good job, Kyle.
Kyle, the race, man, you hit your marks all night long. Heat race feature the whole gig. You run a pretty good flawless program tonight, buddy.
That was amazing. Didn't know if anybody was behind me. My dad was kind of showing me that there was a little bit of gap between us. I didn't know if anybody was behind me for sure or not, but I was for sure shaking the whole time.
The purple car trying to reel you in, but now you know that flagging from your teammates, it's illegal, right? Okay, well, I didn't need you. Kyle, we appreciate you guys. Anybody want to thank on this hot rod tonight?
Old Ham Sales, Teal's Trucks, Northland Antiques, the Ocean Bar and Grill, Auto World, and Reed Parts.
There you go. We're going to see you tomorrow night out there on the field trying to double this thing up.
Yes, sir.